All right, the next one we're going to be taking a look at is PKGM. If you follow this one, as always, I encourage you to get out there and share this video with everyone you know to continue our research and take a look at these charts. So PKGM, I want to say that I've went through this one. Let me see if I can pull this up. Give me one quick second. Let's see, PKGM. I just want to make sure that I didn't lose any of it. Okay, so for some reason, my notes aren't in here, but that was going to be right here. Okay, and I'm going to add this note into here while I'm doing this live because I know that we've went over this, and for some reason, my notes didn't get saved, and it seems to be an issue here that I've been having lately. So I put this one on a watch/alert on the first. Okay, and again with this one, you can go back over there on YouTube and you're going to find that. You're going to be able to find that alert. What was that at 0014? I put it on alert right here at that red mark. And either way, I don't care how you look at it, it still was 100% gain off of that alert. And you would have had 2 days to take that percentage gain off of that. What happened though is, as always, when we watch these stocks, and I tend to put them on alert, they end up gapping up. And I don't like that gap up because even though it didn't right then and there pull back, it pulled back down the next day pretty darn hard. That's not what I like to see, but you had this gap right here. So you want to pay attention to that. So either way, like I said, if you were watching this one, you would have seen that happen there. There is information on this one, I believe. Let me see if I can find it real quick here. I want to say that it was PKGM. Let me see if I can pull it up. There was a really nice post that I seen on it. Pretty informative, to say the least. Right here. Let's take a look at the chart here, and then I'm going to take a look at that post. PKGM, right here, watch for a bounce off the 10-day simple moving average. I think that's going to pull down to the 10. That is going to be what I have to add here. And this time, I'm going to make sure that my notes do get in here correctly. So we're going to update that date and change this. And I'm going to put this one on a hold. Hold for a bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average on Monday. Again, 2/6. And I'm going to put this in my notes. So I had, see, this is why I keep my notes, guys, because I go over so many with Joe. And then, sometimes I'll go through a bunch of charts later on. And I always keep my notes because of stuff like this. I would never realize, what I said then and there unless I went back and checked my video. So I always keep my notes in here. Again, 0011, hold for a bounce off of the 10-day simple moving average on Monday, 2/6, if buying returns. So as far as the post that I said, I don't know how I came across this one, but I did. Be careful with PKGM. I sold PKGM today, and I believe the CEO will reverse stock. Again, these are other people's opinions right here. You got to keep that in mind. They think that the company must file the SEC DEF 14C before doing a reverse split. It's not true because it went dark after filing, blah, blah, blah. So you're going to be able to find all this information over here on investorshangout.com on the Sheep Wolf board, post number 2314. So I definitely encourage you guys to go over there and check that out too. And one other note, while we're covering this, I would like to add this in here. So if you're following PKGM, remember to head over to investorshangout.com. You get the company profile, time and sales, which I'm looking at right here, recent news, filings, and financials, completely free just for joining the site. And make sure you get this video out there because this right here is really valuable information for any investor, especially if you're interested in the stock, to have this information at your fingertips and not paying others for it for the same stuff that you can get everywhere else for free. Again, that is going to be stock ticker symbol PKGM, hold for a bounce off the 10-day simple moving average on Monday 2/6 if the buying returns. Again, we called the stock way back here when we were looking at it, 0006 area, so it's even a double off of that. It comes down to that. You can get all these videos over here on YouTube. They will be uploaded. Again, check us out, investorshangout.com.